I can't smell anything anymore.
In the right direction, you can.
Yeah, Larry said you can totally smell it. I was worried Lagatha was going to try to drink out of the buckets. She don't care.
Over here now.
So you look just right. You can see the steam looks so cool. See, we all have drinks. Coffee, tea, water. Good girl, yeah. She's like, I'll stay with you guys, I'm sorry. Look at that, it's so cool. I love it. So the buckets have been emptied once, twice, 3 times already. 3 times already. That's so cool. Where do you think you're going, Missy? You can see her breath in the water. Oh, that was kind of cool. You're a turd. She's not listening. She's getting excited. I mean, it's just dog. She hears sounds and smells. Smells. She's going to go in a moment. She needs a nap. A long one. I think that boiling looks so cool.
What is the temperature?
Whew, I don't know. I have a candy thermometer. Licking me, you doof. She says you have syrup on your hands. Sap, I mean.